Ditch overcrowded city transit and sitting in traffic. The ModWheel Mid-Drive e-bike kit converts your ordinary bicycle to an electric-powered workhorse that will tackle the steepest of hills and make any commute a breeze. The kit was designed with simplicity in mind. No special tools or modifications needed, just bolt on and go. Known for its reliability, the ModWheel motor used in this kit requires no maintenance, featuring high-quality, waterproof connectors. You no longer have to fear water every time you ride. Enjoy peace of mind every time, even if the weather starts to shift. With an optional 36-volt 350-watt or a 48-volt 500-watt motor, the ModWheel Mid-Drive e-bike kit has plenty of power for any situation. Unlike traditional e-bike kits that have the motor mounted in the hub, the ModWheel Mid-Drive kit replaces the bottom bracket and crank arms of your bike with a motor assembly that directly transfers power to your bicycle chain. This is the most efficient setup and creates a much smoother ride over the older traditional-style hub motors. Thanks to its lightweight mid-drive design, the motor does not affect the feel or handling of your bike. This kit can even be installed if you are using a bike with a rear cassette and derailleur. The ModWheel kit comes with a built-in pedal assist feature, which helps you reach and maintain your desired speed. With 5 adjustable levels of assist available, you will be able to determine how much effort you want to put into your ride. Mounted on your handlebars, the display keeps track of important metrics like your current traveling speed, the amount of total distance traveled on your bike, your battery level, and even allows you to time your trips and change your pedal assist level while riding. Paired with the 11.6 amp-hour battery, the ModWheel Mid-Drive e-bike kit can go over 30+ miles before requiring a charge. To make the install process easier, we've created an installation video to assist anyone with installing the motor, from a highly experienced builder to someone completely new to the process, so you can be out on the road as soon as possible.